Tarzan French, the bare bones, step by step French. Let's start with greetings. Bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur. The French for good is bon, 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 bon. The French for day is jour. You can hear the R, jour. OU is always OU, like a monkey. OU, 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 jour. So, to say hello in French, you say good day, bonjour. It's not bonjour, and it's not bonjour. It's bonjour, 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 bonjour. Okay, so repeat it again and again. Répétez encore et encore. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Ooh, 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 bonjour. There is no good morning or good afternoon. You use bonjour all day long, like the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. They do in England anyway. I know in the US I think it's all through the town, isn't it? Well, we're going all day long. Bonjour all day long. Bonjour. What's good? Bon, bon. Evening is soir. If you struggle with reading and saying what I'm saying, don't look at the word. Listen to me. Soir. You don't have to h, but I'm exaggerating it. Soir. Soir. O-I is a wa. Wa. You need that wa sound in the middle. Soir. 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 Good evening. Bonsoir. You don't have to say it like that. You can go bonsoir. Bonsoir. Repeat it again and again. Répétez encore et encore. Bonsoir, 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 bonsoir. Good? Bon. Day? Jour. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Good day. That's how you say hello in French. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Evening. Wa, wa, wa. Soir, soir, soir. Good evening. Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Répétez encore et encore. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonjour, bonsoir, bonjour, bonsoir, bonjour, bonsoir. Titles, Mr. and Mrs. and Miss and things, are still very much used in French. You don't need to use them, but you will hear other people using them. So let's get familiar. Sir, the French say my sir. Monsieur, monsieur, monsieur. Good evening, my sir. Bonsoir, monsieur. Madam is my lady. Madame, madame, madame. Good evening, my lady. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, madame. Wah, wah, wah. Miss. Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle, mademoiselle, mademoiselle. When you hear it fast, mademoiselle or mademoiselle, mademoiselle. It's literally, moi means me. It's like the little girl that came from me. Mademoiselle. Good evening, miss. Bonsoir, mademoiselle, mademoiselle. So, mademoiselle is a bit iffy these days, really, isn't it? You never know. So, it may be for a very young lady, young person. For a young man, you just say jeune homme. Got to be a little bit careful with those. But monsieur, madame, still used. If you don't want to use the titles, there's no problème. Y a pas de problème. But it is good manners in France to acknowledge with a bonjour or a nod of the head, or at least a bit of eye contact. and a smile. Okay? You don't just walk in and say nothing. Just look at least. Please, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. It actually means if it you pleases, if it pleases you, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. If is si. If it, s'il. You, vous. You got that OU sound again. Ooh, ooh, vous, 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 vous. Pleases, ple, ple, ple. Don't hear the T. No, that's not in Frolic Barbecue, is it? S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. So you can use s'il vous plaît to attract attention, like in a restaurant or a cafe. Don't say garçon. No, 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 no. They're very outdated and rather condescending because it means, hey, boy. We use s'il vous plaît, 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 monsieur, s'il vous plaît, madame. How do we say hello? Literally, good day. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Good evening. Wa, wa, wa. Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Please. S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. Thank you. You might know it. You probably do. Merci. A female horse is called a mare. That's the sound we want. Merci. Merci, merci, merci. Not mercy. It's not mercy. No, it's mare, mare, mare. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Yes is oui. You and I together is a oui sound. Oui, oui, oui. No, you can't hear the N. N's not in Frolic Barbecue. No, no. Non, non. O-N is on. Non, non, non. Oui, no. If it pleases you, si, si. You, vous, vous. Can't hear the S. That's not in Frolic Barbecue, is it? Vous, ou, vous, 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 vous. Please, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. Et voilà a little bit of greetings. Next, we'll be learning how to order things. Merci, à la prochaine fois. Until next time.